Our main idea was to create maximum spaciousness by keeping the space for storage as compact as possible. It was all about finding the perfect balance between light flowing space and compact fixed space.
We were living in the other side of Amsterdam and decided to move to the Spaarndammer area because we like the pleasant and quiet streets. Although the neighborhood is situated quite close to the city center, the area is also quite calm.
The apartment is built in 1916 and it used to be a social housing block. But back then people didn't have a bathroom, they used to go to the public bath nearby.
The building consists partly of social housing apartment and is partly owned by private owners.
When we first found the apartment, it was totally stripped down and it was one big open space.
We looked into our daily habits and built demo spaces using cardboard boxes and our furniture. This allowed us to test the space before making final design decisions.
The upper level was a storage, which was only accessible via an external staircase.
The biggest change to the floor plan was to connect the upper storage area to the apartment by means of an internal staircase. This storage area was converted into the bedroom.
The bathroom wall was shifted towards the new kitchen to make it more comfortable to use. Living, sleeping, cooking and working are now all situated close to the window openings, making these spaces feel light and airy.
At the entrance there is a semi-enclosed space which provides a bit of privacy when entering the door. There is a floating wooden shelf for shoes and everyday storage. The living room is at the front side of the apartment facing the street. This room hosts a sofa, a sitting corner, a cabinet with bookshelves that is part of the big wall of cabinets and the television.
The flooring throughout the apartment is made from PVC. It has a light concrete polished floor look and is easy to clean and maintain.
From the living room we can access the small balcony.
The space between the living room and the kitchen is the heart of the apartment. There is a floor-to-ceiling wall of storage made from an oak veneer with plenty of closed storage spaces, as well as an open space on the edge of the story wall. We placed a mirror on the wall to check our outfits as we head out, and it also reflects the surrounding spaces.
The kitchen and dining rooms are combined into one open space, which is placed at the other end of the wall of cabinets.
Just like in the living room, the wall of cabinets ends in the kitchen with shelves for cookbooks and wine glasses. At the other end of the room, we have a wall of cabinets with a lot of storage for kitchen appliances. The fridge and freezer are integrated. The main kitchen space is finished in black and is a great contrast against the oak veneer storage. The upper storage has a light strip along the length of the wall. We have an induction hob, range hood, stainless steel sink and an oven and a dishwasher.
A simple wooden dining table, which can seat up to 6 guests, is positioned along the second balcony doors. It is lit by direct sunlight the whole afternoon and into the evening and acts as an extension to the dining room.
The office can be reached from the kitchen and still forms one continuous space with the other spaces of the apartment.
The boiler, washing machine and cleaning supplies are tucked away in a floor-to-ceiling cabinet inside the office space, with an integrated desk facing the inner garden, creating a quiet place to work.
The bedroom is situated upstairs and can be reached by the stairs within the wall of cabinets. The cabinets extend into the bedroom and form the balustrade with integrated shelves.
By the stairs, there's an open rack where we hang our clothes. The bed sits in front of a large window and gets a lot of warm light throughout the day.
The bathroom is placed next to the entrance and has a toilet, shower and sink. We added a new shower, built into the other side of the kitchen storage wall.
This allows the bathroom to be used by 2 people at the same time. We also built floating shelves into the wall above the toilet and sinks.
With the right tools, we believe that even small and outdated apartments can be made suitable for young city dwellers. Usually, the proportions of space in existing housing offer huge potential for an efficient layout.
If smart layouts and clean aesthetics are matched with an eye for detail, we think literally every space can offer generous living conditions on a small footprint.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.